Hello my students. In last video we have talked about communication, how communication become important or how communication become powerful, and what is communication. In a simple way, communication means what we are telling to others. That telling things may be feelings, opinions, information, thoughts. The words are there. We are communicating to the person who is standing before me or the people who are standing before me. But sometimes we feel communication barriers. Barriers means stoppages. Barriers means hindrances. Barriers means problems. Barriers means when our fluency of speaking English stops. There are so many reasons are there. Look here, communication, if we are going to communicate in a very clear-cut manner, then there are so many things are there, that what type of words we are choosing, or semantic organization, how correct grammar we are using in making the sentences, and listeners' interest and motivation, that what I am telling, the listener is understanding, the listener is interested in my telling, or the listener is understanding or listening carefully or not. On that also, that communication barriers depends. Then second is the choice of vocabulary. What the words we are using, it is proper to the context. Choice of words, they are very much important. Then contextual information, then many things are there. That how you are presenting yourself, how you are telling others, how you are telling particularly those things who are of interest of the listener. Grammar, it is must. Vocabulary, it is must, again we can say. Without vocabulary, without particular word, we cannot communicate our ideas to others. And more than that, what we are saying, that communication to whom I am making that sentences or to whom I am talking, that person must be interested in listening what I am telling to him or her. If that person is not interested what I am telling, then certainly I lost my interest. That person has no interest in my listening, or I have no interest in telling that things. Then certainly, automatically you can say, suddenly you can say that hindrances started, problems started coming. That what I want to tell, what one person want to tell to other, that things cannot come out properly. Then what are the communication barriers are there? According to the experts, there are so many communication barriers. Out of this, most important is that our mother tongue create most big hindrance or problem in speaking English. Because whatever our mother tongue is there, all the time we talk in mother tongue. That vocabulary is in our mouth. When we are talking that words or that type of grammar, what is mother tongue's grammar is there, that comes out. And when anybody is asking some question to me, that in English particularly, and we, the native people, started getting that thing and giving the answer, or before the giving answer, we started making that answer into our mother tongue. And then we translate into English. And when the translation is not good, the sentence cannot become correct, then we are unable to speak correctly. And that is the hindrance. Whatever our culture is there, for example, that one person is telling one thing and that word is coming since last so many ages, you say, so many years, you say, that word goes ahead and ahead. Because of the culture and because of the mother tongue or regional language, the hindrances occur in talking in English, in communication in English language. So before this, we have to think that what we are listening, if a question is asked me in English, then I have to reply in English only. And for that, what the important things are there, that your grammar is perfect, your vocabulary is up to date, and you have the courage to speak. In this video, we are talking of that much only things. In next video, again, I will talk about the hindrances. What are the barriers are there in communication, particularly in English language. Thank you for being with me. Thank you for listening.